This morning, we got this old Workhorse in. For engine bay cleaning. He just had the rear seal replaced. And as you can see, the engine has been in cleaner condition before. So we got to do a transformation on this one. So this is John's first car of the day. He preparing for what's going to be a engine transformation of this old Workhorse. Stay tuned.
Wow, this is great. Look at this. I've never seen this so, it's like brand new. This doesn't seem like the same truck. Wait a minute. Look at this. This is like over the top, man. Thanks very much. This is killer.
Excellency, auto beauty.